Deepa, and today I'll be sharing my very own special recipe for sweet rice. So I hope you guys really like this recipe. It is my very own. I love it this way. It always comes out really perfect. So I had to share it with you guys, and I really do hope you like it. So I have all my ingredients here. I went shopping at Massey stores this morning. I got everything that I needed. And again, it's going to be very, very easy. It's going to take a little while though, because sweet rice kind of takes a very long time to cook and get really sticky and perfect. So it will take a little while, but I swear that length of time is totally worth it. So let's get straight into making this very special recipe. And I'm going to repeat this again, guys. This is just my special recipe. This is just how I like to make my sweet rice. So I know there's so many different recipes out there, but I hope you will like my version. Okay guys, so I did buy ground elaichi, but then I decided I wanted to show you guys how to toast your cardamom or elaichi and grind it yourself. So let's do that. So before I add my rice to my pot, I'm just gonna add my cardamom pods to my heated pan and just toast it just a little bit. It will start getting nice and brown. You will smell that so high and so wonderful. There is nothing better than grinding your own elaichi. Honestly, the flavor is so much better. That taste is so much better. So if you've never tried this before, definitely try it. Okay, so once you move them around a little bit and they get nice and brown, they might start popping, so please be careful. They're nice and brown, and you can smell that really nice elaichi. Then you're going to take your stove off, a mortar and pestle, and you can see those seeds coming out there, and you just want to grind it all up together until it grinds up really well and it gets really nice and fine. So this is perfect. Next, just get a little bowl like this one. Just sift out all of the those shells, and here I have some really nice freshly ground elaichi. Next step, I'm going to add my water to this pot, and I'm going to add my rice. Of course, you have to wash your rice really well. I'm going to add some cinnamon. Well, not some, just one, because I don't want any of these spices to just overpower my sweet rice. So one goes in there. I'm gonna bring this to a boil and make sure and just boil it until your rice is nice and soft. Also just add a couple cloves to this. So once your rice looks really nice soft, and the majority of that water has been boiled down, basically, now we're going to add our coconut milk. So my 2 packs of coconut milk, I'm going to add it to my water. Perfect. I'm going to add my coconut milk to my rice. I'm going to stir, and you can keep your flame nice and low, and I'm just going to boil this until it gets really thick. So this has been boiling a little while, and it's so much thicker and so creamy. I'm now going to add 2 packs of evaporated milk. I'm also going to add a cup of condensed milk, adding 1/4 cup of shredded coconut. And I'm gonna just leave this on low heat so that it gets really gooey and thick. Guys, I wish you all could really smell this. It smells so good. Okay guys, so this is perfect. I just switched off my stove, and what's going to happen when this cools down, it's actually going to thicken up a lot more. So this is actually perfect. When it cools down, it will get to that consistency that I want. So last, what I do is add my elaichi, because I think that that flavor is so much more prominent when it's added last. And now I'm gonna add my sliced almonds. I'm just gonna smush this up a little bit, try to smash it a little bit, do it while it's in the pot, just sort of break it up a little bit, because I think that is a little bit too chunky. Add my almonds and give it a stir, and almonds just adds this really nice crunch. It is so delicious. So that's it, guys. It's smelling so amazing. Smells really good. I'm just gonna try a tiny little bit. God, it looks so good. Guys, so sweet rice is finished. Let me see if I can get this to focus. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It really does. So let's take a little taste. Focus. It's so good. I can't stop. I'm getting crunch from the coconut, shredded coconut and almonds, and it has that coconut taste as well as all those yummy spices, cinnamon and elaichi combined. Oh my god, it tastes amazing. You all have to try this. It's so good. I swear, you're gonna love it. So again, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this recipe. My mouth is full. But this is my very own special recipe, and I hope you guys try it, and I hope you like it. And as you always do, send me pictures when you do. And yeah, I hope you all are having a very, very, very wonderful Navratri, and stay tuned for my next video. It's gonna come up hopefully tomorrow. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Thank you for the support always. Bye. I wanted to show you guys what this looks like, what this yummy sweet rice looks like when it's cooled down completely. Nice and gooey and rich, creamy, is simply delicious.